Hello guys, Karen Miller here once again. Hope you're well, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to do some tacos and burritos. And I'm going to use the kamut flour, 100% kamut flour for our tortillas. So I'm going to do it, you know, like you do a paratha. It's not a big deal. And I've done parathas before. So it's just some vegan butter, salt, flour, water. That's it. Alright. So let me open up this. I'm just going to put like a cup and a half. This is about a cup and a half. And you use your fingers or a knife to cut the butter in. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter here. Right? And I'm going to put like a teaspoon. So I have some oil in the pan, about 2 tablespoons. And the burrito I'm going to do today is a mushroom and chayote burrito with some seasonings. So I peeled and cored and chopped up my chayote. So this is gonna go for a while because I need the moisture to get out of this. I'm going to add some red onions, or I think maybe I'm going to do some shallots instead. Alright, so when I come back, we're going to put some shallots in here. So I'm back. I'm going to add 1 shallot chopped up. And I'm going to add some salt, some sea salt, and some cayenne. And some paprika. Alright, and we're going to let the moisture come out of the chayote because you know it has a lot of moisture. And then I'm going to add some tomato paste to this as well. Alright, so this is going to go for about, I would say about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to get back to you. So this has been going for about 7 minutes. I think this is good because it's going to continue cooking as I'm adding the mushrooms and adding more stuff because this has to be completely cooked, right? So I'm going to add some baby bella mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms you like. And I'm also going to add some shiitake because so much flavor. And then I'm also going to add some mushrooms that I processed. So I have some chunky bits and some softer bits. Right? I'm going to add a little bit more oil here. So I added some of the mushrooms that I processed in the blender. So I have some chunky bits mixed with some softer pureed bits, right? We're gonna stir all of this in here. And then I'm going to add my tomato paste. So I'm going to do a huge tablespoon of tomato paste. Get that in there. I'm going to add some allspice as well. Right? a little bit of ground allspice. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna let this evaporate a little bit, the moisture, and then I'm gonna get back to you. Yes, so I have my dough here. I have kamut and some white spelt that I mixed. So, and I have my board here. It's floured. I'm going to roll this out. Quarter turn. Alright guys, I'm going to put this here on this pan. It's a little bit wider than the pan, but it's okay. Because the burrito, we're folding it up and bending it up, so it's fine. It's fine. So I'm going to let this go for about 2-3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to come back and construct our burrito. Alright guys, I'm going to turn this now. Don't try this at home, guys. My hands are very tough. Okay, so I'm going to do this on this side for about 2 minutes and then take it off and construct the burrito. So guys, let's assemble our burrito. So I have some sauce here, chilies that I made. It's going to be on my website. The recipe is very simple. Some spices, some tomato paste, you know, roasted bell pepper, etc. So I'm going to mix some of this sauce with the mayo and spread it on here before but since I don't have another spoon and I don't want to, I'm just going to do this. Right? And then I'm going to take some mayo and kind of mix it in here. Right? Mix it in here like this. And then we have our mushroom and chayote. And some avocado. You know, you can do whatever you want with this. Whatever you want. Whatever your heart's desire. And I'm going to put some romaine lettuce on here. Okay. You can put some tomatoes, but I'm not doing that. So now I'm going to start rolling this. So I roll it and I pull it back like this. And then I bend it like this. Bend it like this. And then I continue to roll it like this. Right? Let's push this back here. And you do this and you have your burrito. Right? You have your burrito. So I'm going to cut this in half to show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay guys, let's cut this burrito. And there you have it, guys. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna do this, right? So please make this. I'm not gonna taste it because I already ate. Not hungry. Don't eat a lot. Eat once a day. Right, guys? I'm full right now, so I'm not gonna taste this. The taco and the burrito is delicious. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.